How to repost stories on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can repost an Instagram story that you are tagged in. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your Insta. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, here you can check your mentioned wherever you're mentioned or wherever you're tagged. So if you open up that story, you will see an option that says add to your story. Tap on that, and now you can simply change this, edit it, completely up to you. If you tap on the story once, it'll just go to full screen, and yeah, if you tap on it again, it'll go back to like it was before. So according to your choice, you can change it. You can zoom it in, zoom it out as well. So yeah, doing that, you can then add stickers and other stuff like you do on your very own story. And all you have to then do after the edit is done is tap on your story on the bottom left, and this will be added to your story. So you can go back here and check for your story. And as you can see, it's getting uploaded. And that's how you can repost stories on Instagram. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye. Take care.